a blank script. See if we could do that. Wow. Oh, hello. So the other day I saw this cool thing on GitHub. I actually saw it on Twitter first by this guy Keijiro. It's this cool plugin to Unity where you can use natural language with ChatGPT to do stuff in the editor. You can generate objects, you can add components to those objects, you can modify existing objects in the scene, and you can even play the game. It kind of goes over how to install it here with this README on it. It's pretty simple. You also need to have a ChatGPT account and create an API key, but I have the project open here, and so you can just drag it, the folder that you download, into your assets here. And then what I did was open this test scene, and then you go to window AI command, and this window should pop up. And then I think to edit, you put your API key here in this AI command box, and it should be ready to go. You can do whatever you want. So like his example, maybe create, and boom, it works, which is pretty cool. I was playing with this a little bit. I was trying to see if I could create an object that spawned cubes, and it seemed like I couldn't do that because it can't create custom script components to put on stuff. But we can try it again, maybe. Let's try delete. It does cost money to do this, but if you have an OpenAI account, it looked like I had $18 of requests there initially for you to just use as a trial. So hopefully yours haven't expired yet. It looked like mine's expire in April, which I'm not sure when that trial started, but I didn't know about it until now. But yeah, so the thing we can try, I was trying to do was create an empty attached to, so this didn't work last time, so we can kind of see if it works this time. I was trying to look up to see if this was even possible, and it seems like it was, but I didn't do any tests with editor scripts that could potentially do this. Okay, I guess it didn't do anything this time. Oh, it's not exactly what I did last time. I did this create an empty object. Yeah, so see, it creates this weird object called spawner, and it seems to have a script on it, but the script doesn't point to anywhere. And it has spawn time, time passed. Last time I tried to use the play button. Maybe we can play it this time through here. What does he do? Oh, it just loops. I think he just said run. Maybe that'll work. All right, there's no camera. Let's see, the reference script is missing for some reason. I wonder if we can make it create a script. Seems like it wasn't able to do that though. Maybe we can say create, because really if this can only do editor script stuff, it's kind of just like bulk processing using natural language instead of actually being able to develop a game. That's weird. Create a blank script named cube spawner. I guess it took that as create a blank cube, create a cube. Interesting. I was wondering if I could make like a chessboard or something. That could be kind of interesting. So maybe delete. Does need a camera for play mode, and then it needs a direction light. Add a 45-degree. Add a camera pointing down. Let's see if we can do two of these commands at once. Pretty straightforward by themselves, I think. Cool. So it looks like it added a camera. Nice. Interesting. Yeah. And it's at 10. Cool. Let's see. Create a plane of cubes on. Let's see if we could do that. I feel like really this is just good for bulk processing because you can't add a custom script unless you have a custom script already made, or if you make a custom script. Wow. That's pretty neat. What the heck? That's so cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Then color every other cube in black. Yeah, so I'm trying to sort of make a chessboard to see if that could work. Hey, that's so cool. Look at that. What the heck? Add 0.5 on the first 16 plane, colored and blue. I wonder why I couldn't do that. Maybe we'll just do one of them. Cube object, add new of the cube plane. It's like a game in itself. Tag cube is not defined. Cubes, add 16. Let's try that. It might be getting confused with search or something. Hey, nice. What are they called though? They're just cubes. I'm gonna say tag the cubes white. Oh, I should have just repeated the command for the black side. No, they're untagged. Oh no, rename as Nice. And then I'll say scale all white cubes to 0.5. White cubes objects. It says white cube is not defined, so maybe it needs qualifiers on it. That it's looking for an object. I feel like it didn't work. Maybe all objects named white cubes. That way it searches for the name. No. Scale objects be multiply of all objects. That should work. Nope. White cube is not defined. Multiply scale of all objects named white cubes. Let's see if that works. It seems to have trouble. It's doing something with the names. Tag white cubes is not defined. Objects all. I wonder if I could do tag all cubes as. I wonder if it needs to like create the tag first, maybe? I need to tell it to create the tag cube, all white cubes. It seems to use tags a lot, but then if it can't even tag it with this, white cube is tag white cube. Yeah, I feel like I need to, maybe you can say like add tag white cube. Maybe I misunderstood the exception before. I wonder if it even, maybe add tag. Interesting. Create 16 black cubes, the last, and name them menu item. Black plane of cubes. Let's try this. I don't remember the command I did last time, unfortunately. Tag cube is not defined. Black cube objects above. It would be cool to have a history of what you typed in, so you could see like what you did. Oh, hello. Jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16. Well, I did make 16 above the last 16 cubes. What cube is it above? What the heck? I think ctrl+z works. Well, it'll work for getting rid of these, I think. Oh, it undid the naming. Damn. No, wait, no, it didn't. Yeah, this is behind back. Oof. Man, that sucks. Well, I do want to see if I can add a player. Let's see. Add a capsule. Blue capsule. Hey, maybe position the cubes. Wonder if it can do that instead of just the XYZ. Nope. I guess not. 3, 2, 3. And we'll just say capsule. Maybe blue is confusing it. Nice. Oh, kind of nice. I need to bring it up a little bit. Then I want to say character. Yeah, it's a pretty inefficient way to do this, I guess. And now it can't add. Oh, there it is. I was just an idiot. If I can make him walk around, that'd be kind of cool. Let's see. Yeah, it'd be cool to have like some functions that you would always want to use or something. Hey, there we go. The character controller doesn't necessarily move the player, right? I thought it did though. I must be tripping. Delete all cubes. Plane. So I want to get rid of this tower. Nope, or namespace menu item. Yeah, it is kind of cool. It creates this like editor menu item. Weird. Wait, all that are not. Maybe I need simpler things. Menu item. I don't really want the menu item. I don't know what that is. Interesting. Delete all. Hey, add. For every other red. Weird. 1, 2, 3, 8. That's interesting. Cubes from create grid. I wonder if that'll put it inside of the parent object again. A cube plane. Okay. And now color every. No. How did it do it before? Right? Because technically it is doing it, but it's not. Oh, it's because it's not going back and forth. It starts over. I need to just go down next to it. Create a plane of cubes in a snaking. I feel like it's gonna be way too complicated. Snaking cubes in an 8x8 grid. Maybe that'll work? I wonder if it'll have an issue with snaking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Oh, that's pretty cool. Color every red. Damn, I can't believe that worked. That's so cool. Create a canvas. 3 buttons centered in a column. Name seems button could not be found. Well, maybe we'll just take it step by step. Create a canvas component. Run. Oh, I should have said object maybe. Oof. What is that? Is that for every single cube? What is going on? Oof. Remove the canvas component. Okay, but it still has. What are all these? Oh, because what a nightmare. Oh, it's because they're all rect transforms. Transform to Nope. Gotta start over. Well, nah, I'm not gonna start over. I'm just gonna live with it, I guess. Ugh. Create a canvas game object. Nice. Canvas. Let's see. Add a panel to the object. That's annoying. Did I do it? Hey, interesting. Add a button. Button could not be found. Add a UI button. Did it do it? Huh. You must have a graphic target. I don't know what that normally is. If I add a button. What? I wonder why. I would think it would have. Oh, okay. So it's looking for like, where'd this one go? Oh, it didn't even put it into screen space. Put it to world space. Weird. Yeah, it's not very good at adding UI stuff. It'd be easier just to position it and how you normally would, right? Like normally you would just do like something like this, and you could turn it to this mode, and then from here you can easily move stuff around, position it. I'm not sure why it's not named anything. It'd be this to the other side. No, I probably need to import. I'm okay. I don't need to. This isn't even there. If I add a image game object. I wonder if that's the secret. You have to say game object. Add a UI image component. See if we can track down the blue objects maybe. I mean the white objects. It tried. What happened though? Red game objects. Yeah, overall it's kind of too much for what it's worth probably, but it is cool. Sort of create a grid of stuff, but it gets kind of too complicated because it can't look at the right things, or you can't tell it to do exactly what you want. It'd be way faster just to like, I want to see if it could create terrain object at y. Hey, it does make a terrain object. Looks like terrain, but then can it add a stand material to the terrain? I don't know how that's gonna work out. Add a material blue. Okay, well, generate a terrain object x to y equal. Yep, just didn't do that. Make my dream game. Oh, not set to an instance of an object. Damn, what else? Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm getting tired.